Hello, I'm in a 2019 Dodge Journey, and today I'm going to show you to use the front and rear defrost. So with the vehicle powered on, this would be your front defrost and your rear defrost. So with this activated, now all your fan controls are controlling this vent right up here along the glass. You can adjust it to blow faster or calmer. And then you can adjust the heat up or down. And then in your climate settings, you could also adjust it. So say if you also want it to blow out of these vents as well as up there, you can just play with these settings. So here is your front defrost as well as blowing on your feet. And then this turned off the front defrost and it's just blowing out of this vent now. But that's something you can play with for whatever. And then here again, you can turn just the front on or just the rear. And then now those are turned off. And you can also turn that front one off all the way by turning the fan off, since the fan controls it. And even if you have the heat all the way up, you still may want the AC on, because that AC can pull moisture out of there, which should keep the glass from fogging up. And the way this rear works is if this is activated, if you can see in the camera, there's some black lines through the glass. Those black lines are heating mechanism. So when that's activated, that'll turn on and start to melt any ice that might be building up. And then when you're all done with it, when there's lights off, that should indicate that the front or the rear defrost are turned off. And then when these are lit, that means that they're on. And if you're having issues with these not lighting up at all, first I'd probably check fuses, things like that. Maybe a burnt fuse might make these inoperable. But otherwise, I hope all this information was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.